Ma'am Cheryl Reyes, duly represented to our public schools district supervisor, Ma'am Joby G. Molina, to our barangay officials headed by Barangay Hard Work and Education. You have made it through the challenges and opportunities that this institution has offered you. You have learned from the best teachers, mentors, and peers. You have achieved
with high honors for her welcome address. A big round of applause.
Sir Juan III Samoy, Dr. Chermel Libaco Reyes, the school's division superintendent of the division of Malaybalay City, Ma'am Joby J. Molina, our public schools district supervisor. Ma'am, good afternoon.
Elementary school, and this is to be followed by acceptance and confirmation of graduates to be carried out by Mrs. Joby J. Molina, Public Schools District Supervisor, and the authorized representative of the Schools Division Superintendent.
Ma'am Joby G. Molina. Ma'am, I have the honor to present to you candidates for graduation of Mabuti Elementary School, of whom 37 are boys and 36 are girls. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of
the school's division superintendent, Dr. Chermel L. Libaco Reyes, and as your public schools district supervisor, and upon certification of your school head, Mr. Alberto Berondo, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum of the Department of Education, I now confirm you graduates of Makoti Elementary school year 2023-2024. My congratulations.
Arcete Genton Dave Anthony. Cuevas Presbytery. El Joshua. Wario Yestan James. Omawan Carlo. Dalarita Princess Rika. Romanin Angel Grace. Leonor Virgil Reyes. Sabarilio Donna Faye.
Of our Secretary of Education as well as the Vice President of the Philippines, Sara Z. Duterte. Para sa class 2024, nais kong ipaabot ang aking taos-pusong pagbati sa inyong lahat. Ang araw na ito ay patunay ng inyong pagsusumikap at aking iginabot ng inyong mga pangarap. Ngunit, umpisa pa lamang ito na malayo pa ninyong lalakbayin. Alam ko na ang kaalaman at aral na natutunan ninyo sa elementarya ay tiyak na magiging susi sa inyong tagumpay sa hinaharap.
Same certificate of recognition. So Princess Lorraine M. Dangle.
hardship, and to savor the victories that came upon our hands. To our distinguished guest speaker, J. Officer 1 Senator D. Samoy, Dr. Cheryl May Bangko Reyes, the Schools Division Superintendent in the Division of Malaybalay City, Ma'am Juby G. Molina, class, but failed to what I dreamed. Despite of that, I continue to strive hard for me to reach my goal, and that is being to be the top one of the class. Standing here in front of everybody, have this feeling of pride and happiness because I have proven to myself that I can be the best of what I am.
And was born on December 15, 1996. He finished his elementary education in the year 2009 here in our institution. He then continued his secondary education at the Kidan National High School. On his tertiary, he studied at FIDMA, Cagayan de Oro College, and graduated in the year 2017. He received the degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. He received his training at Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro City's Bureau of Jail Management and Penology Regional Office 10. He then completed the jail basic recruit course at the Camp Vicente Lim, Laguna in the year 2023-24. Massive Siklab class of the National Jail Management and Penetration Training Institute. He also completed his studies in 2023 at the Talavera District Jail in Talavera, Nueva Ecija, where he completed his on-the-job training. Furthermore, he was given a Marksman Award. Let me share a little bit of what he does. As a jail officer, he is responsible for the safety and security of the inmates within the correctional facilities, ensuring that these environments are orderly and that inmates are treated fairly. He served as the front line in addressing the complex needs of the incarcerated population. He often interacts with inmates on a daily basis, providing not just supervision, but also support and guidance. This includes facilitating access to educational programs, vocational training, and mental health services, which are essential for the personal development and rehabilitation of inmates. Please help me welcome our keynote speaker for this graduation ceremony, Jail Officer 1, John III Dinusta Samon.
To somebody, can we see? Nobody from somebody. Hallelujah, hallelujah. From nobody to somebody. When I was young, I was told that experience is the best teacher. Well, I strongly agree. Let me explain later. And I promise to our graduates and parents, I prefer enough to this, to my experience will happen to you today and soon. Patikalan. Pero, I tell you graduates, kani ang ilang pangasaba, makatabang ni sa tuwa, ang masamasista sa atong kinabuhi. Di pa ninyo masabtan karon, pero pagbalik ninyo nga successful ko, makita ninyo yung maestra na dalaga pa, pero pagkuha ninyo, mga ulit tao na matigulang na. Mangayo kayo mo, pasalamat sila ang ano na ang kapot ni Wali. Wala ka na-expect. Mga na-expect na, inanim na yung kwan. Abi ni dili makapot, dili mo makapot ang imong pangantoy kung dili sila.
Makati Elementary School awards this certificate of appreciation to Jail Officer 1, Jan Catherine Samoy, for her unwavering support as the guest speaker during the graduation ceremony of Makati Elementary School with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Given this 29th day of May 2024, signed Mr. Alberto Viverondo, School Principal. Let us give him a big round of applause.
I hereby conclude this 2024 graduation ceremony. Thank you and once again, congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the graduation ceremony of Makati Elementary School Batch 2024. Thank you for attending and congratulations everyone.
So just keep on dreaming, one day you'll see. You can wish for the world, but still what'll be will be. It ain't always easy, ain't always smooth. Life ain't about whether you win or lose. And they say that dreams don't always come true, but that's okay. I'll keep dreaming anyway.